We're back. Sorry, I dropped my controller. We're back. There you go. We're back. And I'm not sure if it was blurry. I just remember that it was blurry. Come on, take the ball out. Take the ball out. I'm in my substitutions. No. Oh my god. Stop. No! Go! I could have kicked it out, but no. What the? No! 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 No way! That was a good pass! No! I could not make a tie game. Now if they make the goal, I have to try my best to make one. Come on, head it up, head it up, head it up. Nice. Oh, fuck me. Oh my. Goalie. Okay, good. Okay, I don't care. I just see some bad one. It's like terrible. Oh yeah, I also put this one. Might have to this one on. Russia. Bruh. Bruh. Just should have passed the goddamn ball. Oh no, he fell! He fell, bruh! Yes, he fell. No, Marvok. Markovak. Ooh, with the header. Oh, in 90 pace. No! No! Are you fucking serious? Are you for real, cuz? Are you for real? Oh, that was no foul. Damn, that guy was about to do some sick ass shit. He hit my mixer with some drop. No, I can't deal with this. Oh, you don't call that a foul, ref? What? No. No, okay, that was a shit pass. Okay, hold on, I'm scared now. I'm scared. Can I switch? Oh, he's not injured. He's not injured, she's just slow. Fuck. Alright. Pass it quick, bro. Pass it quick right there. On the spot right there. Oh, that got her hurt. No, he made that fucking goal. That was fucking shit. Oh, wait right now. Oh my fucking god. I'm not sure if that counts as like a copyright, but... Hey! Ref! That's fucking foul! Ref! Oh my, no. Barca, come on, Barca player. Come on, Barca player. You can't make an Arsenal juke you. You know, Arsenal is the best. No, I lost. Oh, no. Good job with the slide, mama. I have 20 minutes. Run, Barry. No, are you fucking serious? Oh my god, now I have 10 minutes. Fucking count that as a fucking foul, dude. Don't count that when you shoot. I'm gonna make you a flip. Fucking yes. That's pretty good. What the fuck? Fuck you, nigga. Oh. Okay, that's fine. Fake. Fake. Oh my god, I got 2 more minutes. Oh, how much extra time is it? What's the extra time? Come on, Rafina. Make the game change. 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. That's what you. Okay. Come on, someone in the middle. No, no. What? 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 No way! You fucking can't! It's done. Game's over. Yep, game's over. 3, 2, 1. Yep. What the fuck, mate? Alright, I'll end the video there, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.